Alright, you're in your 20s and you've got $1,000. Now, I know what you're thinking. Invest in mindset, take a course, buy books, you've heard it all before. Here are some fresh, actionable, and out-of-the-box ways to invest $1,000 that you have not considered. Step 1. Start a micro-business, $250. Let's kick it off with $250 to start your own micro-business. But we're not talking about the typical grind-heavy side hustle. This is about creating a system that generates money without taking over your life. For example, check out Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or even garage sales in your area. With $250, you can source a small inventory of trending items or hidden gems. Maybe it's vintage clothing, collectible trading cards, or refurbished gadgets. List them online with attractive photos and watch your cash multiply. Pro tip: focus on high-demand, low-supply products. Use tools like Google Trends or TikTok hashtags to see what's popping. The beauty here? You're learning critical skills, pricing strategy, digital marketing, and inventory management. And the best part? You don't need a ton of startup cash. Flip a few items, and your $250 can turn into $500 or more in no time. Step 2. Rent something cool, $150. Here's an idea most people overlook: renting out items. People are constantly looking for affordable ways to borrow things, whether it's for parties, work, or hobbies. Use $150 to buy or repair something you can rent out locally. Think outside the box. A pressure washer is a great example. You can buy a decent used one, rent it out for $30 a day, and make back your investment in a couple of weekends. Or go smaller, something like a set of DJ lights, a decent microphone, or even a karaoke machine. Platforms like Fat Llama make it easy to list items for rent, and you don't need a storefront or fancy setup. Why does this work? It's about filling a gap in your local market. You're providing value and creating a steady stream of passive income without working extra hours. Step 3. Build a community, $200. Now, this one's really unique. Use $200 to host a small event or gathering. This isn't just about having fun. It's about building a network of people who could help you in the future. For example, organize a casual networking night for local entrepreneurs or freelancers. Use the money for snacks, drinks, or even a cool venue. Or go niche. Host a trivia night, a pop-up coffee tasting, or a game night for tech enthusiasts. What you're doing here is creating value for people and positioning yourself as a connector. You're not just someone they met once, you're the person who brought them together. This could lead to job referrals, new friendships, or even business partnerships. And the ROI on relationships? Priceless. Step 4. Co-invest with friends, $300. Pooling your money with others can open doors to bigger and better opportunities. Use $300 and team up with 2 or 3 friends to buy something that generates cash flow. One great option is a vending machine. A used vending machine can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500, but when you split the cost, it's much more affordable. Find a high-traffic location like a gym, office building, or school and stock it with snacks or drinks. With just a little maintenance, you could be making $100 to $200 a month. Another idea? Buy a delivery scooter or electric bike and rent it out to people who work for services like DoorDash or Uber Eats. Or check out Flippa, a marketplace where you can buy income-generating websites. Look for a small blog or e-commerce store that's already making money. Even if it only earns $50 a month, that's passive income coming straight to you. The key here is collaboration. When you pool resources, you're not just spreading the cost, you're spreading the risk. And that makes it easier to take bigger swings without losing sleep. Step 5. Buy domain names, $100. This last idea is super underrated. Digital real estate. Use $100 to buy catchy or trending domain names that could be valuable in the future. Think about it. The internet isn't going anywhere, and domain names are like beachfront property in the digital world. Tools like GoDaddy Auctions and Namecheap make it easy to find available domains. Look for names tied to trends, upcoming events, or niche markets. For example, a few years ago, people who bought domains related to NFTs, crypto, or streaming services made bank when those trends blew up. You're essentially speculating on what could become valuable later, but with a relatively small upfront cost. It's low risk, high potential reward. Why these ideas work? The beauty of this approach is that it's not just about making money. It's about building assets, systems, and networks. Let's break it down. Starting a micro business teaches you how to hustle and adapt. Renting out items creates passive income from something tangible. Hosting an event invests in your social capital. Co-investing with friends lets you take bigger risks with less pressure. Buying domain names gives you a shot at a massive payday with minimal effort. Each of these steps takes your $1,000 and stretches it further, multiplying your opportunities instead of locking your money into a slow-growing account or a generic online course. The bigger picture. Now, imagine doing this more than once. Let's say you save an extra $1,000 every few months and reinvest it using these strategies. Over time, you'll not only grow your money but also develop valuable skills, build a strong network, and create multiple streams of income. What's exciting about this approach is that it's dynamic. You're not just sitting around waiting for compounding interest to do its thing. You're actively creating opportunities, solving problems, and learning along the way. And guess what? You don't have to do all 5 steps at once. Pick one, try it out, and see what works for you. The point is to get creative, take action, and think beyond the usual advice. So, there you have it. $250 to start flipping products, $150 to buy something rentable, $200 for community building, $300 for co-investing with friends, $100 to speculate on domain names. This isn't just about turning $1,000 into more money, it's about building a foundation for your future. The question is, are you ready to try something different? What would you do with $1,000? Drop your ideas in the comments. And if this gave you a spark of inspiration, hit that like button and subscribe for more creative ways to crush it in your 20s. Catch you in the next video.